At approximately 2:35 p.m. on April 23rd, an officer from the Fairfax County Police Department, Oaks District Station, was conducting traffic enforcement. When the officer stopped the driver of a 1999 Toyota Corolla, 36-year-old Jamal Wali of Fairfax, for an expired safety inspection.
Jesus Christ.
On a traffic stop area 810 12914 Fairlakes Parkway 4236.
That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed, I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired last...
Call Joe Biden or call George Bush.
What's your driver's
No,
license?
there's no, I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the fucking car and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No?
No?
No? You're fucking killing me. You fucking people don't get a disability. I have kids and I have a lot of fucking bullshit things. So why you fucking treat me this way?
Said 80. Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
You fucking dumbass fucking people. You fucking asshole.
Majestic.
I can't even go back to my
at
fucking country because of you fucking
Green Bar
people.
Shopping
I started in fucking army. Every time you come and fucking pull me over, every time.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah.
And you don't want to give me your name?
Sir, why? Look, hey, I died when I was serving you, with you liars, with you people, with American Spanish.
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. So you brought me to you fucking people brought me to this goddamn country, and I'm dying every fucking single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're a fucking racist people.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't get a job, I can't get a disability, and they took my fucking license because I'm not able to pay the insurance. So why are you fucking trying to kill me?
I'm not trying to
kill
you,
you are. I'm already died. I don't give a damn fuck.
Subject's armed, refusing to give ID. Don't reach for anything, dude. Don't unbuckle that.
I'm telling you, don't reach. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't give a damn fuck. I don't give a damn fuck. If you fucking do anything, don't do anything.
Subject keeps reaching for his weapon.
No, I'm not reaching.
Sure. Just all use the field. Tell us over your restricted 1439.
Sir, I stopped you for a lawful traffic stop.
I don't give a damn fuck. Okay. You liars.
I'm not lying.
No, you're lying.
It's obviously right there.
You are no. Today's
so
the day, buddy.
What I'm asking for is you to identify yourself.
White people, you lied for 25 years.
R80 Bravo, you direct on that?
You brought me to this country. I served with special forces. I lost my own fucking brother. I lost my everything.
I'm sorry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you're sorry to hear that? No. Don't play that bullshit.
So you don't have a registration to the vehicle?
You know what? Listen here. You're American, okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are American. I give you my fucking, what do you call that shit? Take it. They took my driving license.
So
okay?
They took it away?
Yeah, for no fucking reason. I have a hard time with court. I'll show you the paperwork. You won't believe what they say. They don't. When I call them bullshit, the system is fucking broke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like you're going through a really rough time.
Man, I should have served with fucking Taliban better than you. I was concerned and a fucking dumbass fuck when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned about more about you people. Because
Okay.
you lie, because you play games, that's how I'm going deeper, deeper, deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I
sir,
watched you do it.
I don't give a damn fuck. It brings as many people as you can.
Okay.
Go ahead. You're not listening. What I'm telling
I am
you,
listening to you.
I have 4 children. Do not reach your gun.
Rob, everybody slow down. Units perhaps 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach?
Hey.
No. Fuck! Fuck!
800 Bravo, shots fired.
Set 80, I'm hit.
Bravo, shots fired. 800 Bravo, shots fired.
Listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, no, you reach. No.
41.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach? No. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to
No. Hey, don't you reach? No.
Bravo, everybody slow down. Units perhaps 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey, listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, no. You reach? No.
800
Additional
Bravo,
officers
shots fired.
arrived and rendered first aid until fire and rescue personnel arrived on scene. Wali was taken to a nearby hospital where he was pronounced deceased. The injured officers were transported to an area hospital and treated for their gunshot wounds. Wali married with 4 children, and the impact on those children is unimaginable. Wali has lived in the U.S. legally since 2014. Prior to that, he worked with military forces, providing translation services in Afghanistan.